जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि। क्लास 9, theorem 8.1, page 140, NCERT textbook. One of the problem, or even it is a kind of theorem, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. We will verify it with the help of this software by interactive method. So we will be learning by doing. You can observe it. When we read something, we forget. When we see something, we remember. But when we do, we learn. And learn forever. So, in this case, we are learning by doing. In this, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. You can see here, this line is parallel to this line, and this line is parallel to this line. This is parallel to this side. This side is parallel to this side. So, this is a parallelogram. Diagonals AC and BD are intersecting 8.0. We have measured AO and OC and BO and DO or OD. So, we have obtained this value at this stage. AO is 5 and OC is also 5 unit. BO is 5.83 and OD is also 5.83. If these two are equal, these two are equal. This point D bisect AO as well as point D bisect BD. So, these are the true values. If we will change the position of A, B, C, D point and make another parallelogram, then the values will change and you will get these value again equal. Let us see. I am shifting one box this side and one box here, and one this from here to here, and from D was here, we brought it to here. Now you see AO is 4.61 here, OC is 4.61, BO is 6.26, OD is 6.26. The same thing are coming here. Just we are changing these values automatically change. Now you can see these two values are equal, these two values means this is equal to this, this is equal to this. Again, point O bisect AC as well as BD. AC and BD are the diagonal. Now, another position I am taking. This. Now it is a parallelogram. You say here vertically 1, 2, 3. 3 point from B will are right side, and from C also for this D 1, 2, 3 units this side. So this length is equal to, you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also you will BD is 9, BC is 9 unit, AD is 9 unit. They are on parallel lines, so it will be certainly a parallelogram. Now here you can see AO 3.6 1 unit, OC is 3.6 unit, BO is 6.32 and OD is also 6.32 unit. Here you can also see. So that was the third condition. Fourth condition we can make this is a kind of rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. And this angle is 90 degree. This horizontal line and vertical line. So angle is 90 degree, here is 90 degree, all the four angles are 90 degree. It means it is a rectangle, and in rectangle AC is equal to BD. Now you see 5.41, 5.41. Here also 5.41 and OD is 5.41. So their sum will be 10.82. Here the sum of AO and OC, that will give AC, it will be 10.82. Here BD will be also 10.82. So it is third case. Fourth case. Fifth case you want to see. We are. This is the fifth case. Now you may prepare a table and write down these values and verify it. At the end you can conclude that the in a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other is verified. You have to write the verified, not you have to write the hence proved. Proof for proof you have to simple way is that you have to prove this triangle, AOB and this COD. These two triangles you have to prove them, and they are congruent. This angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles. This angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle, and this side is common. Not common but equal, because pair of opposite side of a parallelogram. So you can prove this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. Third angle, if you want to prove, all the three angles are equal and one of the side, this. Yes. So you can prove by ASA congruency rule. You can prove that these two triangles are congruent. Similarly, you can prove, if you want to prove, these two triangles are also AOB and AOD and COB. You can also prove these two triangles. One side you have to prove, that is sufficient to show that triangles are congruent, therefore their corresponding sides are also congruent. मुझे आशा है कि आपको ये समझ में आया होगा अच्छे से, और इसको आप अच्छे से एक दो बार और देखिए और आपको समझ में आएगा. इसका प्रूफ आप लिखिए नोटबुक से, और आप इसमें ज्ञान हासिल करने में सक्षम हैं, ऐसा मेरा मानना है. आपको मेरी शुभकामनाएं. जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि.